Hi, capital and construction projects are worth some $10 trillion a year to the world economy, but there's a growing acceptance that this kind of project have got delivery problems. At a conference in Paris later this month, held by the TOC Practitioners Alliance and hosted by Marris Consulting, I'll be presenting my ideas on what we can do about it. Now, one part of that is to use the TOC method for planning and managing the execution of projects known as critical chain or CCPM. What I'll be focusing on is why in environments like construction, where most of the work on the project is carried out by third parties other than the client, and there's a commercial contract in the way between the client and the supply network, that the approaches that are prevalent in the industry to selecting and contracting with those third parties inhibit significantly the application of methods like critical chain. If we can change the way that we select and contract with the supply chain using proven methods that have been around for several decades, then we can set up an environment across the project team that could really exploit and use critical chain. Put those two things together, and I believe that capital and construction projects could be delivered on time and in much less time, on budget for a lot lower cost. If you'd like to find out, I'll look forward to seeing you there. Let's have a discussion. À bientôt à Paris.